So what state are you from?
Delta State.
Are you Delta Igbo?
We don't agree that we are Igbo actually, so we are Delta.
And what part of Delta? We have multiple tribes in Delta.
Ogwashiukwu.
Ogwashiukwu.
Yes.
Some people argue that you guys are inferior, fake Igbo. Do you think you are more of Igbo, like someone from Anambra?
We are not Igbo, so we are not trying to compete if we are Igbo or not.
You just say you are from Ogwashiukwu now.
I say Ogwashiukwu.
But you speak Igbo, you bear Igbo names and all.
Yes.
You speak Igbo.
I don't speak Igbo.
Okay, you don't speak Igbo.
Yes.
But you are often referred to as Delta Igbo, right?
Yes.
Oh, you are still Igbo now.
No, but it's not a matter of debate. But okay, let me agree with you.
The king of your village, what is title they refer to him?
I don't know.
Igwe or?
Igwe, yes.
You are saying you are not Igbo. What's your name?
Zion.
You are beautiful.
Thank you.
Immediately that girl said she doesn't speak Igbo, I knew at once now all these Lagos brought up, or maybe probably Warri or Bini, something like that. And it is very shameful that someone from Ogwashiukwu in this 21st century doesn't know her roots. Mogul! It's Boribo and it's Patakas, Olodo uprising. People are not talking about this one enough. Those of you who deny your identity. Always claiming no machasu beke, but single thing away you know. Mugu. Oh, you know. Fiakwa. For those that don't know, Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala is from Ogwashiukwu. She is a princess of the Okonjo dynasty in Ogwashiukwu, and she's proudly and fiercely Igbo. I have other Okonjos here, and they are all Igbo people to the core. The people of Ogwashiukwu are Igbo-speaking community in the present-day Delta State. They are part and parcel of the Anioma people, occupying Delta North Senatorial District. According to their traditional history, they trace their ancestry to Unri, one of the oldest and most respected centers of Igbo civilization. Now, the Ikelike people of Ogwashiukwu were the aboriginal Igbo of the land before Odeigbo from Unri came. From all indications, the Ikelike people were Igbo, and they were part of the early Eri subgroup of the Igbo people who occupied the stretch of the land from Omambala area in the east to Abo area in the west. Look on the Abo. You know, someone was doing a cooking video, and people were asking, she was speaking Abo. People were asking what languages. I told them it is Igbo. A lot of you were attacking. What are you? So you people don't have identity. You cannot go outside and say, nobody knows you. You are Igbo, whether you like it or not. I'm not here trying to force you guys or trying to. We don't care. We don't give to whether me Igbo, it's it's none of our business. But it is so shameful that in this present day and time, most of you are openly, vehemently denying your own identity. Now, this is to say that the autochthonous people of the Enuani area of Anioma are the same lineage as the autochthonous people of Anambra State. They all belong to the same Eri subgroup of Igbo land. Their dialects and culture, the elaborate tradition of Nze and also title and all system of leadership clearly show that these people on both sides of River Niger are of the same stock. River Niger was not a barrier. Rather, it was an open access that allowed these people to spread out on both sides. Now, the Ogwashiukwu kinship, that is the Eze and Obi, is found in one of the villages that trace their origins from Unri, while the actual traditional right of leadership is held by the Opala of Ikelike. The elders of Ikelike, the first inhabitants of the land, said they were practicing the Opala system of leadership before the Odeigbo group arrived from Unri. If you claim that you are not Igbo, especially those of you from Ikwere and other coastal Igbo communities claiming that they are not Igbo, come and prove me right. Bring historical documents. Let me bring mine. Because some of you, I need to bohe your brain and whoop no sense nime. Olodo, you don't know the reason why they are trying to create disunity amongst us. Moguls! Oh no! This is a clear proof that the Ikelike people were Igbo. Any attempt to falsify the origin of the Ikelike people will be seen as a deliberate attempt to rewrite history. And that will not be accepted by the elders and academics of the Igbo world. Go to Ogwashiukwu today and you will see that they are proud of their Igbo origin. So that Itiboribo is suffering from identity crisis. Yes. She's one of them. Oluku. Obo. Ogwashiukwu people are the ancient Igbos. They bear Igbo names. They have the 4 market day thingy of Ndi Igbo. Their food and way of life are fiercely Igbo. They were parts of the revered and invisible Ekumeku warriors that the British dreaded for 31 good years. How go the British? How go the Hanshege? Ogwashiukwu is Igbo land. Okay? Ogwashiukwu is Igbo. And Igbo is Ogwashiukwu. You can't isolate one from another because they are one and the same. If you check very well, Ligamana, this E.T. does not know the way to her village. Igbo parents, especially those of you residing in Lagos, endeavor to be teaching your kids about their heritage and identity. And when you claim can belong go outside. A shop blame make buwe here bu ndị not ebuwe. A ga-ebudo ma iwo also gi woro onye bi na ga-ebu they will count you as Igbo. Iwatala. See how that grown-up lady embarrassed herself because of ignorance and identity crisis. Odiegwo, fwa. Comment section. Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you want Japa or you find solution concerning Japa things, come, I did for you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. If you also want to learn AI content, come, I did for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM.